If your brush preview is not showing in Photoshop, don't worry, this is usually a very quick fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons this happens and show you exactly how to get your brush circle preview back in just a few minutes. These steps work for most Photoshop versions, whether you're on Windows or Mac. And before we get into it, if this video helps you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, tips, and quick fixes. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing to check is caps lock. This is the #1 reason people think their brush preview has disappeared. If you accidentally press caps lock, Photoshop switches your cursor from the normal brush tip circle to a precise crosshair cursor. That means the brush is still working, but the preview is hidden. So just press caps lock again on your keyboard and see if the brush circle comes back right away. This simple step solves the problem for a lot of users instantly. If the brush preview is still not showing, the next thing to do is check your cursor preferences inside Photoshop. On Windows, go up to Edit, then Preferences, then Cursors. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then Cursors. In the Painting Cursors section, make sure Normal Brush Tip or Full-Size Brush Tip is selected. If Precise is selected, that can make your brush look like a crosshair instead of a circle. You can also enable Show Crosshair in Brush Tip if you want a center guide, but the important part is making sure the main painting cursor is not set to precise. Once you've made the change, click OK and go back to your canvas to test it again. Another common issue is brush size. Sometimes the brush tip is so large or so tiny that it looks like it's missing. For example, if your brush is set to a massive size on a small canvas, the preview circle may go beyond the edges of your screen. On the other hand, if your brush is extremely small on a large high-resolution canvas, it can be very hard to see. To fix this, look at the brush size in the top left of your screen and use the left bracket key to make the brush smaller, or the right bracket key to make it larger. Keep adjusting it until the circular brush outline appears again. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is GPU acceleration. Photoshop uses your graphics processor to help render brush previews smoothly. If that setting is turned off, or if the graphics processor is glitching, the brush circle can disappear. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then Performance. Look for Graphics Processor Settings and make sure Use Graphics Processor is turned on. If it was already enabled, try restarting Photoshop anyway. A simple restart can often refresh the preview rendering and bring the brush outline back. Now, if the issue is only happening with one specific brush, and other brushes are working normally, then the problem may be with that brush preset itself. In that case, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then go to the top options bar, find the brush icon, right-click it, and choose Reset Tool. This resets the tool settings and can fix weird glitches tied to a single brush or a customized tool setup. After resetting, test the brush again and see if the preview returns. If you've gone through all of these steps and the preview is still not showing, it may also help to reset your Photoshop preferences more broadly or update Photoshop and your graphics driver, since outdated software can sometimes cause display issues. But in most cases, one of the 5 fixes we covered will solve the problem quickly. So, to recap, if your brush preview is not showing in Photoshop, first press caps lock, then check your cursor preferences, then verify your brush size, then make sure GPU acceleration is on, and finally reset the tool if needed. These are the fastest and most reliable ways to get your brush tip preview back. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.